Dear students, welcome to the Clear Your Concepts video series. I am your instructor Kamar. Today we will draw a route involving Neasden Underpass. Drawing routes around here are quite tricky and most of the students find them quite confusing. In this video, we will give you some great tips. These tips will not only help you to easily draw routes around this area, but they will also greatly help you to draw any route. So please watch this video carefully till the end. Let's draw our route from the green marker to the red marker. Before drawing, let's plan our route. The first thing in the planning is to keep in mind the direction of the destination. In this case, the destination is in south-southwest. That is mostly in south and slightly in the west direction. The second thing is to note that if somehow we reach at this point on A406, then it will lead us quite near to our destination. So let's make this point as our first target. Now let's zoom and scroll a bit so that our first target is clearly visible. Let's now explore that what are the possibilities for reaching the first target. We cannot proceed like this because of this central reservation on the dual carriage road A406. For detailed explanation on the central reservation, please watch my video number 5. As indicated by this line, A406 is a dual carriage road. This road is for going up or going towards north, and this road is for going down or going towards south direction. We cannot proceed like this either, because this missing line segment here indicates that this road is going underneath A406. So how can we turn right on a road which is going over our heads? Please note that the maps are made as if we are looking them from the top. Therefore, the part of the road going underneath another road becomes invisible. So, what is the correct way to proceed towards our first target? We have to proceed like this. This is an overhead pedestrian walkway, so just ignore it and proceed ahead. Here we will move underneath A406 and proceed. This is a roundabout, therefore we will move in the clockwise direction and then take this slip road to reach our first target. Now the important things. Here I have taken this road. The question is that how do I know that it is my road? Here is a great tip. Notice the thicknesses of the two lines marking the road. Here as well as here, the left side line is thicker than the right side line. One of the easiest way to identify the roads is by noticing the thicknesses of the two lines marking the road. Wherever the thicknesses of the two lines is different, it is a one-way road. And wherever the left line is thicker, it's your road. The oncoming traffic cannot take it. Remember this principle and it will always greatly help you to draw correct routes. It is very important, so let me explain it in more detail. Well, please note that the road indicated by only two lines of the same thickness always means a two-way road, unless there is an arrow in the center of the road indicating the direction of the traffic flow. So, this is a two-way road because the thickness of both the lines is the same. This is also a two-way road because the thickness of both the lines is the same, whereas the road having lines of different thicknesses always means one-way road. For example, look at this road. The line on the left side is thicker than the line on the right side. The principle is that whenever the left side line is thicker than the right side line, it is your road and the oncoming traffic cannot take this road. Now, if we would have moved like this, since here the thickness of the left line is thinner than the opposite line, therefore it means that this is a one-way and that we are going against the one-way. If we do this, we will get 0 marks. In this segment, the thickness of the left side line is thicker for the oncoming traffic, so they can move like this. It is very important. So once again, clearly understand that whenever the left side line is thicker than the right side line, it is your road and the oncoming traffic cannot take this road. So always ensure that the thicker line is on your left side. If you make it a habit, then you will never be going against the one way. Please note this part as well. Here again, I have moved along the road where the thicker line is on my left side. If I would have taken this route, then I would have got 0 marks, because in this case the thicker line will be on the right side and the thinner line will be on the left side, which means I am going against the one way. Actually, this road is descending on a downward slope and it is for the vehicles coming from the north on A406 and heading towards Blackbird Hill. While going underneath A406, you must note that in this case the thicker line remains on their left side. So, if you have understood this principle, then you can draw most of the routes very easily and without any confusion. After this very important conceptual discussion, now let's zoom and scroll a bit and proceed towards our destination. Like this. Now let's scroll a bit more and continue. Finally, scroll a bit more so that our destination is visible. Here, the road starts descending on downward slope into the underpass. You can recognize the underpass by noticing A404 going over the top of it. So if we proceed straight on the underpass, then we will emerge here and we will miss our destination. Therefore, we will take this slip road and then turn left on A404 towards our destination. From here, we can turn left and reach our destination like this. Now, you can see that our route is the most direct route. For one-to-one training at the lowest price in London, please contact 0746 213 4959. Thanks.